Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Angie and I enjoy sharing different projects we have going on around our home. In today's video, I'm sharing how to add an insert to a duvet cover the easy way. So if you'd like to learn this easy technique to make your life a little bit easier, just keep watching. For your convenience and to keep things a little more organized, all of the bedding that I'm using in today's video will be linked in the description box below. So starting out, I like my bed to look and feel comfortable, and so I layer it up with all the things. And if you need a tutorial on how to make your bed feel and look comfortable, I have a whole video on that I'll link below in case you want to check it out. So starting out with this bed, I've added a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and a quilt, and that will be my base layer for making my bed look really comfortable and cozy. So start out with this base layer and then we'll move on to the duvet. Some of the best advice that I can give you when picking out a new duvet cover is make sure that it has these ties attached. So these tie to your insert. It keeps everything from shifting around and getting clumped up, and everything will look better and it'll make your life easier. So make sure that your duvet cover is turned inside out and that the opening is at the bottom. So this is the opening of my duvet cover, and we're going to work from the top and go down. Next, you want to add your insert on top of your duvet cover. We're going to take the top portion and we're just going to roll it down. It's almost like rolling up a burrito. You can do this by yourself or you can have someone help you with it, but I was able to do this all by myself and it was really easy and it did not take a lot of time to do. And so you just keep working from one side to the other and you just keep rolling up your duvet cover and your insert. Just keep rolling and straightening things out as you go. Then when you have everything rolled up, your opening is going to be at the bottom. And so you take that opening and you push everything through so that you have the right side of your duvet cover facing out. So push the insert through that opening and then pull everything over so that it is the right side out. This sounds a lot harder than what it is. I was able to get this done in the first try. You can see it a little bit better how I push everything through to the right side of the duvet. It just comes all the way through very easily. After everything is pushed through and you have the right side facing out, you just want to button up your duvet cover to keep everything snug inside. The next step is to take your duvet and just give it a good shake. You don't have to worry about your insert shifting inside because you've got it secured with those ties. When you just shake it out, it's just going to make everything straight and lay down and just be really nice and plush. This does take a little bit of work, but just keep working with it and I promise you it will come out very nice since everything's nice and secure on the inside with those ties. Some designers use 2 inserts in their duvet covers to make it look a little bit more cozy. So you could always do that if you would like. I always use 1, but I'm going to show you a technique where I fold it back and it makes it look nice and fluffy and cozy. So I get away with 1 insert. So then you just want to straighten everything out on your bed. And then I just take the duvet cover and I fold it back once. And you could leave it like this. I think this looks very nice. But I just fold it another time to make it look nice and thick and cozy. And that's all there is to it. It's just easy adding the insert to your duvet cover. It turns out looking like a designer bed, and it don't get all clumped up on the inside, and it makes your life so much easier. Well, friends, that about wraps up this week's video. I hope that you were inspired by this easy way to add an insert to your duvet cover. It has helped me out so much and made things a little bit easier. And that's what I like to do, is share tips with you that makes our homemaking journey a little bit easier. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and our blog, Our Contented Home. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.